Welcome. In front of me is a iPad mini 4 or 4 mini, and today I will show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. Now to get started, you will want to open up Settings, and from here navigate to Do Not Disturb mode right over here. Once you select it, you have a couple options. So we have silent or while iPad is locked, so that determines when the Do Not Disturb mode is basically in effect. So when you're using your device with this one, it basically will not change anything, but when you lock it and stop using it, then it will go to Do Not Disturb mode, which is a little bit weird way of doing it, but you do also have the option for always. So no matter if you're using it or not using it, it will always be in the Do Not Disturb mode once you toggle it on. Now additionally, we have a schedule, so you can set up when it turns on and off automatically. We have also allow calls from, I can choose who can call you, so everyone and no one, and contacts. So I believe all contacts, you don't have actual choice to choose what kind of contact can call you. And then repeated callers. So if you went with, for instance, no one, you also have the repeated callers. So if someone calls you twice within a specific period of time, which okay, here it's 3 minutes, they will be able to get to you the second time around, assuming they meet that 3-minute period. That will basically allow them to reach you no matter what, and it's a good option for emergencies. So anyway, that's basically all the settings we have here, and to turn it on, all you need to do is tap on the toggle right over here and you're done. Now it's Do Not Disturb mode is now in effect. And I don't actually, oh, there it is, also a toggle, so you can quickly later on toggle it on and off using this toggle right over here, as you can see. So that is how you turn it on and off and set it up. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.